Okay, you hear that sound? That means the battery is dead on this smoke detector. The battery that goes into it is this one. This is 9 volt. Okay, you have a positive here, small one, and then big one is negative. And so to take this off, you got there's an instruction right there. Turning that way is to remove it, turning this way is to put it on. And it's basically those teeth. There's a teeth right there. Let's see. I'm trying to show you what the teeth is. And you don't need no tools to put this on or removing it. Let me show you the teeth. There's that teeth right there. Okay, so you put that in there and then you twist. You match that teeth with that hole and then you turn. You don't need no tools to remove this. And by the way, this is already broken. But basically what we do is we place those handle on the outside and then unplug it and just pull up. Okay. So you press those handles and then pull that wire out. You don't need to use no tools. Okay, and then just lift that off. I'm using my phone in my hand, so it's kind of hard for me to record and do this. And you have that handle right there. You can just do it by your hand or just pull on it. I usually like to see the position, how it's laid down, so that way just do the same thing. Okay, just pops right off. Okay. Use the same thing here. Okay. It's making the sound because I'm pushing down on it. I'm pushing down. That's what is making that sound, but it's supposed to make the sound. So put this back there. You got that here. That needs to be down as well. So there's a little bit of that thing right here. It needs to be down. So I'm sorry. Okay, there you go. So you got that handle's down and this is on like that. Then we push this down. That's it. All right. I'm gonna put it back on. Again, I'm using my hands, both of my hands right now, so that's why you can't push on it. Make sure it's all the way down. Okay. And then you're gonna stack these wires back in place. Stacking those wires back in place. Get them out of the way. Okay. Again, remember to line up the hole. Let's see what the hole is right there. Beautiful. Now twist it to the left. That's it. Kind of give it a tug to make sure it's in. That's good. And no longer have any sound. Beautiful. All right, gents, keep it up.